Whoa, now this is a cool find right here. This is a 2014 Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Definitely a cool find. This guy was cool enough to let us take a look at it. Actually, it looks like it's kind of for sale with the dealer plates, but either way, it's still a very cool find. I actually rode in one of these out of the movie theater after, what was it, Getaway came out, and we walked out, and I got into GT500 Super Snake with a friend, and people were more surrounding the car trying to get pictures because it was just in that movie. Not sure if this guy is going to let us stop or not, but here we are with looks like a, I don't know. I know for sure it's a Porsche, but I'm not quite sure. Like I said, I'm getting fonder of Porsches, so more knowledge is going to be coming soon. But we're going to follow him and see if we can get him to stop for a few seconds here and see if we can get his car on the show here. Maybe. Maybe let's flash our lights for a second. That looks like he might be pulling off. And here it is. He was definitely cool and letting us get us on the show. Don't know much on the Porsches, but this is pretty awesome as well. I don't know, if I did ever own a Porsche, I definitely would not get a red one. Especially like a cherry red like this. It's definitely a speed catcher. Caught our attention for sure on the straight, but other than that, great car. Definitely a great car. Once again, like I said, this is just another test on the GoPro for the second time, so hopefully the footage is a lot better than the first time. But yeah. Wow, it's one of the original Woody cars. Just sitting there. Alright, so this is the collection now. It's getting bigger and bigger. We started with small stuff, which you guys might have seen in the homemade replica Lamborghini museum. But I've kind of put that on the back burner as we're out hunting cars for you guys for better content. But here's the collection now. It definitely is growing and growing and growing. Shockingly, actually, we had to get a whole different separate storage unit just to get the Lambolove cars in it, which we also have like rows and rows of tables full of them in there. So gonna have to show you guys someday the full collection, but that's gonna have to wait. Like right there, we got our like 136 models, and then we got the Hot Wheels. So. Yeah, we totally just got, we slid off the road and slid into the side of this mountain right here, so we actually had someone stop to help us out, get us pulled back out, even though there is, does look for sure that there's going to be some damage on the passenger side there on the front. Definitely was not fun. This isn't fun at all. I actually don't know what we're going to do. Hopefully damage isn't too bad. But that's not a guarantee. It's crazy. And these are the roads that we were driving on after we got pulled back up. Here we are. As you can see, the snow is pretty falling all over the place. The roads aren't too good. Actually, at this point, after we slid off to back there, there was actually another car just up the road from us that was getting help from a tow truck. And we've also seen about 2 semi-trucks now off the side of the road that had problems trying to drive in this. So
more than 2.
Just figured we'll share this with you guys as we go down. This is in Huntington Canyon, Price Canyon on Highway 6 going up towards Utah County and Provo and all that. So definitely a bad day to be driving. Man, No one should be out driving in this today.
Hopefully around the corner.
Little slower.
Got this line of people behind us. I don't care.
Now this is a very, very sweet, sick car right here, this BMW. Once again, owner said, hey, go ahead and feature it, just don't grab the plates, so here we are. I don't know what to say about it, like the white and black looks here, it just looks very awesome. Definitely a good color combination for this car. The BMW M6, of course. All of the M series. Definitely a car to watch for if you're going to buy a Beamer. But just to know it's very expensive, but wow, as we look at this is just awesome.
Would it be so cool if that was the I-8 and Dragonfly that let people
Yeah, but it's not. The Dragonfire was red, so it's pure black. Dragonfire.
Super position, young the giant on your chosen alternative. It's Green Haven.
Eat shit.
Yeah, we're following you, and now you think you know that.
No.
Oh, the back lights look like eyeballs. Back of the torso. That one's just
What's up, everybody? You know, today I think I want to share something with you guys. And so we got this black box here. Everyone knows it's called a safe. If you don't know what it is, I'm sorry, but it's what you you know, keep your personal belongings in that you don't want other people getting into. And so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what's inside the safe because it's my 3 favorite items. Just give me a second here because I don't remember the combination. Now that's again, if you don't know what a safe is, you don't need to remember the combination, because if you forget it, you're gonna miss your stuff anyways. But anyway, in this safe, we got 3 of my favorite items. We got the key to the Lambo. We got the paper of buying the Lambo. And we got my favorite model of the Lamborghini Veneno. And yeah, so this is our awesome. Just a heads up, to have a key reprogrammed if you lose one. I don't even want to talk about the price, but also another thing, insurance through State Farm. Any of you guys exotic cars owners out there, $1,100 a month. That's not bad for full coverage. So definitely check them out. But yeah,
You guys want to hold the key?
all you guys gotta do is ask. We're cool.